Hi, good evening. My name is SoumitraDas and I am from Bangalore. This is my second visit to Pyramid Valley. First time when I came as a casual visitor, just came, saw things around and had good food at the restaurant and left. But today when I went inside the pyramid chamber, I had a very different experience. And luckily I am part of Mr. SoumitraDas meditation group. He is the co-founder of Pyramid Valley. Now I understand why coming here is a totally different experience. You feel very much enlightened, and thank you the Pyramid Valley Foundation for having such a wonderful scenic place with such a wonderful experience which I had today. Thank you.